Hello, this is Jana with John L. Scott Real Estate. I want to talk to you today about your credit, and what I mean by your credit is your credit score. Back that up a little bit. When you buy a home, there are three things a lender is going to look at in terms of giving you a loan. One is the collateral, and so that has nothing to do with you personally. It's the house. They're going to have an appraisal done. They're going to make sure the house is in good condition. If it's a condominium, that it's in a condominium community that has a well-run homeowners association, in theory. So the lender's going to look at your collateral. The second thing they're going to look at is your ability to pay. That's your debt to income ratio, or how much do you make? How much can you afford? You may make a lot of money, but if you have a lot of car payments, your debt to income ratio might be such that you're not going to qualify as much as if you didn't have a lot of car payments. So that's called your ability to pay. And then lastly, they're going to look at your willingness to pay. And willingness to pay is directly reflected from your credit score. If you have a good credit score, it tells lenders that you're willing to pay your debts. If you have a bad credit score, it tells lenders that, well, it may also tell them that you can't pay your debt, but either way, it's reflecting in your ability and your willingness. And so the number one thing I want to relay is, if you want to fix your credit, it's entirely possible. Yes, it may take time, but the sooner you start working on it, the better. There's lots of ways to improve your credit. You can Google that. It's all over the internet. But the number one thing that I want to stress is you have to be committed to the process. Once you're committed to fixing your credit, you can do it. I've worked with many home buyers over the years, and I have found that the only thing that gets in the way of ultimate success in owning a home is lack of motivation. So if you want to own a home, there are resources out there, and I'm here for you. I'd be more than happy to sit down with you and help you make a plan to get on a credit repair path. But number one thing, it's up to you. If you're committed, it'll happen, I promise. We're all in this together. My number is 425-891-0088, and I'd love to be of service. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.